Hi, I'm Amelia and I'm going to show you ways to use your diffuser. A diffuser is something that looks kind of like this. It's got fingers on it, and what these little finger joints do is they are great for grabbing those curls and causing those curls to wrap around them and give you a lot more smoothness, or I should say a lot more control over that curl. A lot of times diffusers do not come with a dryer, so if you're going to buy your dryer, take your dryer to the store with you so you can actually try it on, because as you can see, this diffuser does not fit this dryer. But I'm going to show you can still use it. You simply put it in the hair, and then you would turn the dryer on and just lightly hit around the diffuser, and then hold the dryer up to the diffuser, and it'll still work the exact same. It's just going to take two hands instead of one. And same thing as if it fit, you would just work it around the head. So you would use this diffuser just simply by working it around the head with the dryer on low, and it would just be drying, taking some of that moisture out of the curls. And what that's going to do is prevent you from having to touch your curls, because anytime you start touching your curls, you're going to cause them to explode, if you will, and that's how you get frizz. So this is how you get a nice bundled curl pattern without having to touch your curls, and that's how you use a diffuser.